told him I'm going insane today, man. I got another one I'm finna drop. I just built another kit, man. Y'all don't even know, man. This one completely different. Bonkers off the wall. I ran it one time, and I got the best time that I have run on my other cars off rip. So, check it out. All right, here we go. This is the next kit that I built. My phone was broke. I couldn't keep y'all in tune with my motion, but I'm back, man. Stay tuned. We coming with some more content, boy. This is nuts. This is a Schumacher FT. Man, this is my first belt-driven RC car ever. I'm impressed. I'm feeling it. This video, I'm just gonna show y'all what it is and what I got done to it. This car is so basic that it's faster. When I say that, because I got a good time on my first pass. I'm assuming that it's because of what this car is made out of and how light it is. It don't got all the other stuff. It's just strictly chassis car. What we got right here, we got a Castle 5700 mounted on there. I went out my way. I got the Mamba X to drop on there. So man, this car don't need no other upgrades. You don't need no aluminum arms. You don't need none of that. This is what we got, and this is what I'm running, and I'm enjoying it. I've already upped my gears on it. So right now, I forgot, I think this is maybe a 60, and then we got like a 39 right here. Let me see. What we got? 37, close enough. All right, 60, 37 on this. I got my laptop here. I'm done working. If you see my other video, it was a little bit of a slow day. I've cut me a few heads. At the end of the day, I'm ready to go now. I'm thinking about stopping by University Mall so I can make me a few passes and see if we can crank this thing down. My goal is a 2.7. Man, put me down in a 2.7 and I'll be good to go. All right, so we already at a 3.0. Let's see if we can crank this down to a 2.7. That's it, man. I appreciate y'all for checking this out. This is my Schumacher build, front wheel drive Schumacher FT. I don't have the correct battery for this, or I must have did this wrong, but I did wind up mounting the battery up front because it's front wheel drive, and this car does not, unlike my other front wheel drives that carry everything in the front, this car has everything centered right behind the wheels and then no weight in the front. So this is my weight right here, is that battery. And I mean, I'm very impressed. I'm gonna put a video up, my first couple passes. I'm attached to this. Y'all check it out. I'm running this Tamiya body on it. Y'all already seen it. It's a Tamiya Type R. That's it. I mean, this video ain't gonna be long because this kit is so basic. It's extremely basic. And another tip to this kit about Schumacher is this was the easiest, best, most impressive kit I have ever put together in my life. The way that they bag it up, the way that they give it to you, man, every step comes in a bag. Step number 1 in the bag, step number 2 in the bag. So if you're doing step number 1 and you get done and you still got screws and stuff left, you know you did something wrong. Step all the way up to step 50, 60, whatever number it ends on. Y'all check me out, man. This weekend, this is what I want to bring out. I'm still going to bring out the Tamiya, but I'm telling y'all, I got something really big planned for it. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all get at me, like, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all check out my videos. I done built them from the scratch. I done built them from the bottom up. If you on here watching this, you might as well check out the rest. All right? I get what you like, share, subscribe, do your thing, boy. All right.